Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your organization in MKIO using API tokens and webhooks. These are really useful tools that help you control access, secure your workflows, and automate things behind the scenes. Let's start with API tokens. Anytime you want to interact with MKIO programmatically, you'll need one of these. You could think of an API token like a secure key. It tells MKIO who you are and what you're allowed to do. To create one, head over to the profile menu in the top right, go to your personal API tokens and click Add Token. Now you can give it a name, set an expiration date and click Create. Remember to make sure that you copy the token right away, as you'll only be able to see it for a short time. If you ever need to check your tokens, you can come back to the same section. If you're an admin, you can also see tokens across the organization under Organization and then Settings, and finally API tokens. You can also revoke a token if it's no longer needed. Now, in some cases, you might not want to give full access. That's where restricted tokens come in. They let you limit what a token can do based on your existing permissions. So you're essentially creating a safer, more controlled version of your access. For the exact setup, you can follow the steps in the documentation. Now I'm going to talk to you about webhooks. Webhooks are what allow you to automate workflows based on events that are happening in MKIO. To create a webhook, you start by creating a webhook rule. A webhook rule tells MKIO where to send the notification, which events to listen for, and how to authenticate the request. Once that's set up, MKIO will automatically send updates to your system whenever those events happen. In practice, webhooks are often used to trigger the next step in a workflow, to keep track of job progress, and also to connect MKIO with other systems. And that's a quick walkthrough of how to manage access and automation in MKIO using API tokens and webhooks. They're simple to set up, but they're powerful once you start building automated workflows. For more details, check out the documentation link below, and we'll see you in the next video.